Let's summarize the first lessons. MODX is a content management system, which is basically a visual way of managing the content of your website. MODX consists of a graphical interface that has buttons in a toolbar and a context-sensitive right-click menu. In the home of the MODX CMS, you can find news that is syndicated from the MODX team, and very importantly, you can find security notices when, for instance, a system update is available, so that you have the opportunity to make your website more secure against hackers. A very important part of the MODX interface are the three panels on the left hand side. The resources panel, which shows all the pages of your website. The elements panel, which shows all the building blocks of your website. These are templates, the actual HTML templates of your website. These are template variables, which we'll get into in the more advanced course. These are chunks, and chunks are the pieces of code that are reused in your templates. Snippets, which are advanced functions, plugins, and other categories of elements. Then of course there's the files panel, which is basically an FTP kind of file tree, which is the root of your website, the basic MODX installation, which has assets, which are the files that are the building blocks and which are the building blocks of the actual site that you will see. You have connectors and core, which are the files of the software that runs MODX. And unless you are really a coder and an adventurer, you will not get into these very specific files, because if you change anything in those files and you are not aware of what you're doing, you might simply destroy your installation of MODX, and you do not want to do that. Right, this concludes the first lesson. Let's get on to the second lesson.